Next is Vicente S. Perez Jr. He was elected as a director of BDO Unibank Incorporated in April 22, 2019. He is currently an independent director of BDO Leasing Finance, BDO Finance Corporation, BDO Capital and Investment Corporation, and Double Dragon Properties Corporation. Mr. Perez is currently engaged in renewable energy in the Philippines. He was Philippine Energy Secretary from 2001 to 2005. Mr. Perez briefly served in early 2001 as Undersecretary at the Department of Trade and Industry as a managing head of the Board of Investment. Mr. Perez had 17 years banking experience in 2005. He was briefly a government-appointed director of the Philippine National Bank until its privatization. Mr. Perez obtained his master's in business administration from the Wharton Business School of the University of Pennsylvania in 1983 and a bachelor degree in business economics from the University of the Philippines in 1979. He was 2005 Ward Fellow in Yale University, where he lectured as MBA class of the Yale School of Management. Next is Jose F. Buenaventura. He was elected as a board of directors of BDO Unibank Incorporated on April 19, 2013. Since 1976, he sits on the board of the following companies: BDO Security Corporation, BDO Finance Corporation, and Eximius Holding Incorporated Cebu Air. Next is Nestor B. Tan. He was the president and CEO of BDO Unibank Incorporated. He was elected to the board of directors on June 27, 1998. He concurrently holds the chairmanship of the following BDO Union Bank subsidiary: BDO Strategic Holdings Incorporated and BDO Network Bank Incorporated. He also concurrently holds the chairmanship and directorship in the following subsidiaries of the BDO Unibank, like BDO Leasing and Finance Incorporated, BDO Finance Corporation, BDO Capital and Investment Corporation, BDO Insurance Brokers Incorporated, BDO Remit in USA Incorporated. He previously served as President and Director of the Bankers Association of the Philippines, in addition to being previous Chairman and Director of Philippine Dealing System Holdings Corporation. He holds a bachelor's degree in commerce from De La Salle University and an MBA from the Wharton School, University of Pennsylvania. George T. Barcelon was elected independent of the BDO Unibank on April 22, 2019. He is the visionary behind of Integrated Computer Systems Incorporated, one of the top 1,000 companies in the Philippines, dedicated to providing intellectual IT solutions for small and to large-scale business and institutions. For 40 years, ICS has provided its customers and technological expertise and quality services. As the president of the company with 400 employees whose success depends on unpromising leadership, imagination, and careful quality control, Mr. Barcelon seeks to promote the values of integrity, commitment, and service quality. The cornerstones, which is ICS, was built. Mr. Barcelon graduated as a cum laude from De La Salle University, Manila, and received bachelor's degree in chemical engineering. Lastly is Jesus A. Jacinto Jr. He was elected as a board of directors in BDO Unibank Incorporated on May 25, 1996 and a vice chairman of the board. He is concurrently the chairman and president of BDO Brokers Incorporated. He holds a bachelor's degrees in business administration from Fordham University in New York City and international business from Columbia University, New York City.
BDO is a full-services universal bank that provides a complete array of industry-leading products and services to the retail and corporate markets, including lending, corporate middle market, SMC, and consumer. Through its subsidiaries, the bank offers leasing and financing investment banking, private banking, insurance, product and services. Leasing is a viable financing option for businesses that require specific equipment. Leasing offers the following benefits: higher amount finance, affordable monthly payment, tax timing benefits, no shuttle mortgage fees, amortized commercial loan. A CL allows your business to acquire equipment through mortgage of collateral. Higher loan values, minimum cash outlay, medium-term financing with flexible payment terms. Ownership of the equipment stays with the borrower client. Installment paper purchases. IPP helps your business generate cash through the sale of your existing installment sale contracts on a discounted basis. Benefits for your businesses: converts tied up capital into instant cash which you can use for your business's needs. Preserves cash and credit lines for your operating needs. Enjoy tax savings as the interest expense is an allowable deduction from your taxable income. Factoring of receivables. Factoring is a good alternative for short-term financing and enables your business to work at its full capacity with the immediate funds generated from it. Enjoy these benefits with factoring of your receivables. Instant cash. BDO leasing advance up to 80% of the value of invoices immediate working capital to purchase new stocks and meet new orders. Be able to negotiate better discounts for cash purchases. Take advantage of new business opportunity. No collateral required. BDO leasing experienced sales team will do the collection for you.
I am Alia Jane Legaspi, and I am here to discuss you the role and contribution of BDO Leasing and Finance Incorporated. The bank established the BDO Foundation Incorporated at its Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR) RM channel for its internal and external outreach program. It aims to respond to the needs of the marginalized sector of society for decent shelter, sustainable livelihood, and practical education. As one of the highlights for the year, it donated land to the city of Taguig, valued at 17 million for the site development. Partnering with Gawad Kalinga Foundation Incorporated, it aims to build the social infrastructure and community for the informal settlers in the area. BDO Foundation million pesos for the construction of the Microfinance Center in Laguna. For the CARD MRI Center for Agricultural and Rural Development, Mutuality Reinforcing Institution Development Institute. The partnership with the CARD MRI aims to train people on using microfinance and livelihood skills, alleviate poverty, and develop the economic potentials of a countryside. On smaller scale, it also donated 1.5 million to a school in Cebu for building a audiovisual room. Recently, they also donated 2.8 million to Gawad Kalinga for building a 28 houses in Bulacan. The houses will be located on Block 4 to 5 of Daydreamlandville in Barangay Kaitian, San Jose del Monte City. This form part of a 3.2 hectares property owned by the Makati local government will be called BDO GK Community. The groundbreaking ceremony was held last May to mark the start of construction in a move to integrate its CSR program in the bank's business. It launched the BDO Volunteer Program, generating over 600 employees sign up in its maiden year. The program, which is aligned to the BDO's mission and core values, aims to develop volunteerism as a BDO lifestyle. The BDO volunteerism program is divided into 4 activities. The first one is BDO Speaker Bureau. It is for conducting lecture series, and BDO Skill Trainers for facilitating arts and crafts training lessons. BDO, Community Builder for developing, assistant in developing in communities. BDO Fundraisers for assistant in fundraising to support the foundation's initiatives. The bank through BDO Foundation Incorporated aims to be a major catalyst in the creation of opportunity underprivileged in the country of socio-economic development. The Board of Directors of BDO approved on April 2010 the establishment of a social and environmental management system policy will ensure that environmental and social consciousness are incorporated in the day-to-day operation of the bank for the benefit of all the stakeholders, employees, and the community in which it operates. The policy mainly entails the categorization of corporate borrowing accounts according to their social and environmental impact. Aside from this, it also has a provision that will limit the bank's exposure to a certain industry that had an adverse effect on human lives, the environment such as manufactures and recycling hazardous chemicals. It provides a complete array of industrial leading products and services including leasing, deposit taking, lending, exchange, brokering, trust and investment, credit card, retail cash cards, corporate cash management, and the remittances in the Philippines. That is all. Thank you.